We've all been there, watching a spinning wheel, while your productivity grinds to a halt. Your legacy VPN isn't just slow, it's a bottleneck. When the tech fails, your team finds a workaround. They bypass the lag, but they also bypass your security. That's a massive target on your back. Stop patching a broken connection. What if secure access finally felt seamless? Meet Accops HySecure, the evolution of the secure perimeter. High-speed, zero-trust framework. Identity-based access as fast as a direct connection. All the performance, none of the risk. Give your people the speed they want, and IT the control they need. Switch to Accops HySecure today.